Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to create titles for your Shopify products. It's really simple and easy. They are Google SEO optimized, so it helps your products get found in search. And I'm going to start showing you right now. So let me share my screen. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google's keyword planner. Just FYI, if you don't have, where is it here? If you don't have an account, it's free to create. You don't have to run Google Ads to have one. In fact, you probably will see my account is not active anymore since I have not run ads. I attempted to play around with it, but I'm still able to use the keyword tool, okay? So first, most important thing, you must do keyword research using this free tool, okay? This is directly from Google, so it's the best keyword tool to use. And you want to make sure you do this keyword research for each section or category in your shop. So if you sell personalized mugs, then you sell personalized tumblers and you sell personalized wine glasses, etc. Those are all separate categories, okay? If you just sell personalized mugs and you have different subcategories within that, such as personalized funny mugs, personalized quote mugs, personalized dad mugs, mom mugs, teacher mugs, whatever, then those are your categories. And you're going to select the category you want to work on one at a time and put it into this keyword tool. So you're going to hit discover new keywords. And so let's do just the general one. If you have a store full of personalized mugs, personalized tumblers, and personalized wine glasses, those are your major categories. Then you'd get the personalized mugs. Okay. As one. You can also put custom mugs. It's still relevant to that category of your shop, or if you're doing a subcategory of your shop, it's fine. What else? I think that's the biggest ones I think of. Okay, so I'm gonna hit get results. And what you're gonna see now is the keyword phrases that Google is saying is being searched for phrases similar to that or related phrases, okay? It understands context. I'm also going to click on average monthly searches to show you that it's from highest searched items to lowest, okay? All these are great. All these are great. So next, you're going to do this. You're going to go to download keyword ideas, and I pick Google Sheets because I want to open it in Google Sheets. I don't care the name, the file name, I just hit download. I don't care because I end up copying and pasting the data into my own sheet, okay? So once it finishes, we could open it, and I'll show you the next step. It's so simple, guys, okay? So let's open sheet. All right, so let's clean this up a bit. So I'm gonna remove these three top things. I don't need them. I'm gonna remove column B, okay? And I'm gonna remove C through H. I don't need them for what I'm doing, okay? Now I have column B and it's not organized by highest number to lowest search. So I'm going to click on all of B. I click on this drop down arrow and I click sort sheet from Z to A because I want the highest to lowest. And as you can see, let me open this. Personalized mugs is the highest search, custom mugs, custom coffee mugs, custom made mugs, etc. Okay. So here's the next step. It's so simple. You're going to go to your Shopify store or whatever store you have that you're selling your products. I am going to go to mine really quick. Well, I don't need to. You just go into your product. You either copy a listing over if you want to copy one over and you have to make a new title, or you create a new product, okay? So it's this simple. If you sell these personalized mugs, custom mugs, or whatever, you need to include these phrases to your left here. You see that on the screen in each of your products. You could reuse some of these, absolutely, okay? But you have so much to choose from. Look, and some of them are not relevant, by the way. If you don't sell Yeti personalized tumblers, don't use it. If you don't sell personalized ceramic mugs, don't use it. I would absolutely recommend cleaning this up so then you could keep a library of this these keyword phrases. So you'd have a Google Sheet document, and on the tabs on the bottom, you could write keywords for personalized mugs, keywords for personalized tumblers, keywords for personalized wine glasses, and keep this forever. In fact, let me show you ours. we have our own, it's called, we use the thing called .com keyword library. And as you could see, we have it for party, retirement party invites, baby shower invites, etc. And as you can see, baby shower invites actually have a lot at all. Okay, sometimes you do have to reuse several of your keyword phrases, and that's fine. But I would first clean up what you have, so you could always have your master list that's always cleaned up. The easiest way to do this, the longest way to do this, is to manually go through and delete the columns that don't work. So if you don't sell logo cups, I would delete, et cetera and so forth. Or you could hit Control F. You see that? And then you could search for keywords that you don't sell. So anything Yeti, it highlights it and I delete. So this takes a minute to clean up, okay? However, once you're cleaned up and you're ready to use it, again, you take the keyword and you put it in your title. Take this keyword, put it in your title for each different products, okay? So let's work on product A. It's called personalized mugs. However, here's a however. You have to add other words to it, okay? Descriptive words, either before the phrase or after the phrase. Do not add it in the middle. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. So it's important you do this because, one, if you want to reuse it, this phrase, which you may, okay? There's plenty to choose from, but you may. Google doesn't like you to have the same title over and over again. It just doesn't like it. You could, and it adds like a number 1 and 2 next to it. Don't do that. It's stupid. 2, it's good for user experience, meaning your customers, your potential customers, to see something a little bit more, detailed. So let's go to Etsy really quick, just so I can find a product to describe, so I can show you how I create my titles. Personalized mugs. Okay, let's take a look. Cute. It's Riley's hot cocoa mug. So this is obviously Santa related, Christmas related. So I would write personalized mugs for Christmas gifts. By the way, if you add additional words, okay, not if, when you add additional words, it's best that you add words that are SEO optimized, searchable, things that because you're not new to SEO, I'm assuming, if you're watching this video. Things that that people search for if they're looking for a product like that. So Christmas gifts, absolutely, You can even do retro in the front because it is describing what this product is. In fact, I recommend it because not only do you want to be SEO friendly to the best of your ability when you're adding keyword phrases, okay? You also want it to be relevant to the product, okay? So let's go. Let me take this off. So yeah, it's very retro font. And then we're not stuffing the title, by the way. We're not stuffing it. Okay. So there it is. That's it. I would obviously do it title case. I think I have an extension that does a title case, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. Actually, I do. Hold on. Let me copy and paste it into D. D is where I have the script run. Let's see if it actually works on this new sheet of mine. A script, is it even working? I think it's like, no, wait, hold on. No, it's on my other Google Sheet document, so I can't even show you, but you'd make this title case. It's just the best thing to do. Okay. And that will be your title. Now, another thing I want to show you is we create these, let me show you, titles in our SKU sheet. So give me a second. Let me show you one. Okay. Column D, we have our titles. Why? So then we could do it in bulk. So imagine right now we're listing these, okay? These, I don't know, 10 SKUs, okay? 10, 15 SKUs. I would start by adding the main phrase on each one, okay, that I'm using, which is one of these guys. Then I go in and I add words before and after the phrase, which is what you see here. And the reason why I do it in my SKU sheet is for a few reasons. One, I could see everything, I could see it all, and I could know that I have not reused a phrase too many times. I could do my listing titles in bulk. I think that's really smart. If I remember to, I'll put a link down below to my very popular video about how to create SKU sheets, but you can see it's very easy. And I have a description of the item. in my SKU sheet as well, so I can easily just write it out. Or if I'm not really sure how it looks like, because maybe you do it with a lot of SKUs, you could take your SKU, copy and paste it, search for it, and look at your product and then describe it. It's however you want to work on your workflow, okay? But that's it, and I use these as the titles. They are SEO optimized, they're customer friendly, okay? And of course, by doing that, this is also going to be the URL, which is also SEO optimized, which is really important. Optimizing the title is not where you should stop. You should also optimize your product listings, which we'll do in another video, but I wanted to show you this and see how easy it is, okay? And then, as I mentioned before, you should absolutely keep a keyword library like I do here. And then imagine for a while I don't list new baby shower invites, okay? This is what the baby shower invites are. I would then, let's say 6 months from now, I list again. I would go back here and try to see if there's any more keyword phrases that have come up new, okay? And obviously there's a lot. Hold on a second. Oh, twin. Yeah, there it is. Hold on a second. These are very specific. Wonder why we deleted them. Who knows? But I would download these, copy and paste it. So imagine I had them and I copied and pasted it underneath. Yes, there might be duplicates. Hear me out. There might be duplicates. All you have to do after that is go to data cleanup, remove duplicates, but you're only going to analyze column A because you're going to find duplicates within A only. Remove duplicates, and of course it removed all the duplicates, which is why I copied and pasted, okay? And that's it. So you're able to update your sheet really easily anytime you're ready to start listing something new, especially if you haven't updated it in a while, okay? Hope you found this video useful and helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.